Hi friends, this is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Efforts for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as miners, gold, silver, copper, crude, US30, Bitcoin using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I had written. So let's move on to DXY, and this is our new watch list. So I already, as per informed the previous week itself, New Zealand CAD, AUD JPY, and CAD JPY I removed. So now this is our new watch list. Later onwards, I will remove this Euro New Zealand also once it hit the target of 1.52. So let's move on to the DXY. So as per our discussions in the last week analysis, I expecting from this kind of irregular flat, and later onwards, and if it goes to the bullish, that can reach up to that 108 to 109. That is my target. Otherwise, it can do this kind of triangle. So in the fourth way, and we are in the bigger fourth. One is completed, second is also completed, and the third way is got an extended third way, and we are in that bigger fourth wave. So if we expected such a kind, it can do the expanded flat also. That if you are following me, or if you are following the Elliott waves, that the corrections in the fourth way is very difficult to trade, but we have to watch to catch that fifth way. So what I have explained here is it could be that A, B and C is a regular flat, and from here that is a running flat. From here it can shoot. Otherwise it can do that running triangle also. So A, B, C, D, E, and then it can shoot. So only we regularly expecting only like such a kind, but sometimes market will do like this. And 1 second, I will change the settings. Yeah, it can do like this. This could be the A, B and C. It can break this low, took all the stop losses, and from here it can bounce. So that is called as an expanded flat, and we expecting like this. Sometimes A, B, C, D, and from here it can come to the downside. So that could be the expanded triangle. So market can do lot of structures, but we have to keep ready our positions in the buy. So where we have to buy, where we have to exit our position, it depends upon your view. It's all, if you are following the Elliott waves also, a lot of people are asking, your view is different, my view is different, but the possibilities we have to understand. We have to understand. Then only you come to know how the Elliott wave works in the real market. It's not a demo. So this is my view in DXY. Next, Euro USD. 1 second. Yeah. So last week in the final, I have informed that I'm not going to do consistency from last week because I have a busy schedule, and I will inform after a month or after 2 months why I'm very so busy. And I won't quit this YouTube, and as much as I can deliver my inputs in the market, but I'm not so active in YouTube's as well as in trading view. I already stopped maximum. I can stop that because a lot of works is going on around me, and my dream is going to be dream true. So I will let you know that once it gets started. So before that, I need to inform you everybody. Thanks for watching me regularly and messaging me, sharing this. I'm not allowing to comment in my YouTube's or social media as well. So my views are only for educational purposes, and I did as per my ambition is to create an awareness, and I'm doing this. But I won't update consistently every week. So this is also, it's a late video. I'm just keep on posting this. Last week also I did, I think so. And today is a Sunday, so I'm just updating now. So it may took delay on the next coming week also. But as much as can, I try my level best to give my inputs to in this financial market and help you to learn more and more to fine tune yourselves. So I already upload all my educational series, so you just go through that, learn and earn. That's the thing. So the euro USD also the same, there is no change, but in DXY it's already broken the previous high, but in euro USD it is not yet done the previous low, it's not yet broken. So from here it can go above this level also for the regular flat, or it can again consolidate here and there for the another month or 2 months for the bigger triangle. So if you know that the target and if you know the destinations, you know how to trade this market. So where we are and how to trade, that's the thing. So if it breaks this 1.034, the previous low is 348, I think so. Once if it breaks this, this is definitely going to below the one in my view. So I finished DXY euro USD. So for the shorter term view, it can, I will show that. Yeah, this is the one what I explained the previous. It's a regular flat, and this is for the triangle. So sometimes what it will do, market can, the tricky one, it can go uh, below this low, and again it can do like this. So we are in this pack only. Still we are in the consolidation for the B wave or X wave, and it can go above the high for the regular flat, or it can again getting rejected in this zone for the regular triangle, or for the regular that flat corrections to break above this also to reach the 1.09 also. So GBP USD here, that same, nothing has changed. One high, see this is the one I expecting, right? So it's already did one, so two, now we need this one. So we are here. Now what it can do, it can do anything from here. It's like this, and this could be the connecting wave, and one more push up to take all the stop loss. If it hit the stop losses, it can be an expanded flat. If it is not broken the previous high, means that could be a running flat, and again it can reach, and we are expecting this one market will do again like this, and it will make a running triangle and to break that 1.14. That is the target for this GBP USD. So AUD, I'm just going through all that weekly chart or 4-hour chart only I'm doing, but that is the bigger view what I'm expecting. So now the Australian dollar. Here I expected the three-way structure. So now it is already completed one here. So either this could be the A B, and C is a 1. So we are in that second wave. Or if it is a W here, means this could be the connecting wave, means A is already completed, we are in the B wave. So either we can make it this as a stop loss for the target below 5.4. So I'm talking about the 2200 pips, and that stop loss if it reached here. It's stop loss you can make it for the 500 to 600 pips stop loss for the target of nearly 5 to break. In New Zealand dollar it's a 5.4 to break. So here it looks like so aggressive, and again it bounced. So from here it can do like this also, what I have explained. So if it comes to the downside, if it break, and if you measure this is a 1.272 from here, and it is not going below this 1272, it's nearly 67, again there is a chances for making a running flat or a running triangle. So in every all that DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD, NUD, everything, the dollars is in consolidations, where is the bigger consolidations in the fourth wave in DXY, like that. In Australian dollar, so it could be a or sorry, it could be a B or X, like that. New Zealand dollar also Euro is a USD in that fourth wave, and this one also GBP USD also in the B wave. So everything it is looks consolidation. So the thing is, either it could be an expanded or a flat or running flat, or it could be a regular flat, or it could be a triangle. Only the four options. So that is the Elliott wave theory. But how we have to make money? So you have to watch for that. Three ways it's doing, or three ways or five ways in the shorter time frame. If you are watching in the 4 hours, just looking for the 4 hours. So, and I already informed right from here itself whether this is the connecting wave or this is the end of the trend, means we can expect that below this level, but it is not going below the previous low. So either it could be again break this one as a regular flat for this 5 year structures, and this could be the connecting wave, and again we can see that bigger fall in coming weeks. So next, New Zealand dollar, same structure, and it is already broken the previous low, and Australian dollar is not yet broken. So we are expecting only to the consolidations here. So how long it will take? No idea. I am not so fine-tuned about the time frames to how long it can take. It's a time zones is all there, or Elliott wave time zones. It's a lot of time zones to, but I'm not. I didn't done anything because once we are a consistency in the market to hit the target, no need how long it took. Our target is the destination is fixed, so we have to wait for that. If you are luck, and if it is coming to the retracement, it's a bigger retracement, that is an opportunity to short this market. For this market, if it is a sell, if you get the pullback, that is an opportunity to reload your positions into that sell zone in that trend side. So as per this, expecting one more corrections here, and it may fall below this 5-4. It's my target in the New Zealand, and that is my this all the positional targets. Euro USD, GBP USD, you know very well if you are following me and years, right? So let's move on to next, USD CAD. That's I already told you it's a beautiful trade, and exactly given what we expecting, what we discussed. So now from here there is a chance, right? Exactly did and bounce. It's already broken this high, and again it is consolidating. So now we are not getting this. So then this is got an invalid. What we expected, this is got invalid. So now this is the valid. Now the five-way structure is got completed. So we come to know whether this is a or 1, or this is the B or 2. Now we are expecting for that C wave, and it is so aggressive than the before. Every, see, these are all getting that retracements, but here look at this wave. So the price action is more aggressive than anything else in the, before it happened. So in my view, the C wave is already started, or the bigger third wave is already started. So now we can expect from here it can go for the third wave, or if it is still in the consolidation zone, it can do like this, and it can go above that level, and it can reach up to the target of 1.3 in my view. But if this is the third wave, means this is the starting and that intermediate of the third wave. So wave 1, wave 2, or it could be a C wave, means it's a wave 1, wave 2. Anyway, I'm looking for the target of 1.38 and above only for this UCAD. So making this as a stop loss as of now. If it hit the target, if it hit this stop loss, I don't have any idea what else it can do, because see, in my view it's already did an irregular flat pattern here. This is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. So this is the A, B and C. So this is the A, B, C, A, B, C is a B, and C got a 5-way structure, and I have explained from there itself it bounced, and I already booked the profit at 1.3. Here itself I've already booked what I bought here, and still I'm having the positions in the long. So now I'm expecting the 5-way structure. It can be bigger, or if it is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, the third wave can shoot above that 1.3 here, sorry, 1.5 and above also. Look at this, because this is the one, this is the two. Nobody knows the third wave. It's forming. You know very well, and I keep on informing that the DXY, USD, GBP, USD, that you know very well. And what about the USD chef? Look at this. From here, what I explained, it could be the triangle also. So exactly what we expected, it did and hit my target of 1.0. And after that, I have expected the 1.150, but that is the market, right? From here we have to trail the stop loss, and it is an aggressive fall. So now my bigger picture is got changed, but my target is 1.0 is got achieved. So how we predicted this one? If you are too good in the correction part, then only you come to catch this zone. So like this, it may happen in USD CAD. From here, if it is sustained here, again if it come to the 1.26, make this as a stop loss of 1.25. That is a beautiful stop to get the invalid of our view, and the target can reach up to 1.38, or maybe it could be a 1.44 or 1.46 also here, if it is a bigger way. Anyway, I'm looking for A, B and C. So if it is a B, C, we can expect up to the 1.38 here, up to this. So if it is a third wave, it can be bigger target. So let's move on to the USD chef. I already did, and the target got reached. So now it is already looking like 1, 2, 3. So one correction is got completed. So here in the bigger picture, as per our bigger picture, it is in that trend line and it got rejected. So now in the bigger picture, I will show you that bigger picture and bigger target that I have already explained. That once again I will, if you are a newcomer for my video to watch. So this is the weekly chart, and if you're going for the monthly chart also, it remains same. So that is not much it's not a much difference. So A, B, C, we are in that ending diagonal formation. So 1, 2, 3, and we are on the fourth wave. So if we kept this as a B, C is a A, and this is the B, and C is the W, X. So A, B, C, Y means it has to break above this level. But again, it get rejected means it could be triangle also. See, A, B, C is A, B and C. From here, this is A, B, C, D, E, and then from here. So that time it won't break this 1.03, and it will. That is why I have explained here. So we have to wait for this. So in that case, if it is a W, this is a X, and this is a Y is got completed below this, and again there is a three-way structure. Again one more ABC means that could be the exact way to complete, and it will took all the stop loss above the 1 point, and our target of the next target is got reached of 1.06, and from here it can to the down to the south side. So later onwards this can be adjusted. So this is the one, it's not valid here. This is the valid trend line below. So the wedge formation can make anything. It can be like this. So we have to watch here not to trade, because USDHF we are looking for the downtrend. But in the shorter term, it can reach up to 1.06 or 1.07. This could be that this kind of correction also. So here what we did, 1, 2, 3. It's an expanded flat correction. So either it could be a triangle, or again it could be a regular flat also, but because it is not yet broken this low. So ABC is a W, X, Y, or in the bigger picture, or it could be a W, X, Y, X, Z also. So anything is valid, but we need to look for that sell trade setup, not in the buy trade setup for me. So next is in our watch list, we finished up to USD chef, and you need to look for the USD JPY. I didn't done, so have an USD JPY. Look at this. I am looking for this kind of drop, right? From here also I have expected the bigger drop. From here also, but expecting this, I'm not in sell side. That you know very well. So if it reached here, I will target to the next target of 149 to 150. but it is still keep graining to the upper side. So this is, and I have already explained, I think in 2 day 2 weeks before or 4 weeks before, this keep on extending. If we make it this as a W, this is could be a 1 and 2, so this is a bigger 1, bigger 2, and this is again 1 2 3 4 5, so this could be again 3 also. So we can convert this to the bigger 5-way structure also, but this is the bullish one. And what is our target now is changed. The previous my target got achieved once it reached the above this level 125. Now I am targeting above this 148. 147.77 is my target as of now. So this could be the W X, so this could be a triangle, and this could be the A B, and after the consolidation then it can reach also. We are expecting from here, so it will took all the stop losses, and it can do like this also. So if it did like this, so what it will be that next? So either this could be the irregular flat formation, it's 1.4, so that is also accepted, and once it reached here, later onwards it can bounce. So as of now, I'm not in any trade in the UJ. I'm not in buy and I'm not in sell side. So until if it gets the clear path, we can change it to anything. So A, B, C, D, and E. So if this is a X wave, so we need a A wave. So it is not yet completed, or it is already completed, that we can't know. So we have to wait for that turn to view our structure. We have to believe our structure. The structure will say. We have to believe our analysis. So if we need to believe, we need to know the structure clearly. It's not a doubtful. If you are in doubtful, don't take any trade. So what is next? And we will go to the Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. So my target is 1.52. So what I have explained in the last week, very well explained. From here, I'm expecting this one. Let's wait for to do this, and it is already broken the previous high also, and I already informed that it can break all the high and it will do all the stop losses, and again it can come to this side. So either we can expect it for that irregular, sorry, it could be an expanding triangle, we can expect for that, or it could, we can make it this as a stop loss. If you make this as a stop loss, it can hit also in the expander triangle. So we have to watch for this decline, and you come to know what we have to do. We can be in a buy side in a small position to the target here 1.72, because this structure is it's not looking like an it's a little bit confusion. So there is an aggressive move to the downside. Later onwards, it's looking like a 3-way structure. I thought this could be the irregular flat from here also to the coming to the downside to reach the 1.52. Once it is getting again and again, it is going to higher high and it is not making a lower low. So that picture need to be very clear to take the sell. But this is not, for me, it's not looking like a sell. It's not yet confirmed. So here this picture is little bit not clear. So whether we can conclude this as a 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 also in that leading diagonal formation in the 5-way structure. So either no need to break this high if this is a 5-way structure. So we can expect some consolidation like this, and from here it can decline from here also. So in the chances for making a expanded triangle also, you come to know that. So next is once again US30. Here it is. So what I have explained, the US30, it's a beautiful trade. Nearly from here this low exactly bounced, right? And we already did perfectly. 29,600, now is 31,600. It's around nearly 2,000, 1,800 pips, right? Perfect analysis. What else you need? And I already show the example of Nifty in my another channel of that Indian stocks, stock surfers as one more channel. You just go through that. Last video uploaded nearly the week before, I think so. I have explained this a 15-minute video, and I will give the link, or it could be that at the end of the this video you can get the link also in the picture. I will uh, I will give the link, so you just go through that. I have explained that S&P 500, US30, Nifty, everything it looks like a bullish, and for the shorter term, whether this could be that conversion of that bullish, it could be, but what we have to be in buy side. That's it. One previous structure is got completed. Whether this could be continued for the connecting wave, that we let's see what happened. Same how we are in the fourth wave in the DXY, like that stocks is also in the bigger fourth wave. So it can be a bigger picture, it could be a running flat, or it could be a regular flat. A regular flat wave means again we can see below this 29. Below the 29,700 again we can see, but we need to know about the connecting wave to the further downside. If this is a ABC is a A, ABC is a B, ABC is a C, so one W is got completed in the double correction. Again we need a X wave, and after that ABC to break this low, and it could be that the 38.2 retracement level of 26 is also available here. Here we already did. It's around a, yeah, 1 second, I will measure this. Yeah, 38 is 20, 25, 340 here. So, and everybody will ask about this is a wave 1, wave 2, it's a invalid. I am not talking about this one, because in this previous S&P 500 we start from here. So like that I took it as this as a wave 1 and this as a wave 2. Nothing wrong in this. So there is a lot of data here also, and we started from here, and it's see, everything has a different structure. We need to understand that. That is it. It's a correlation with the S&P 500 and Dow Jones. Everything is same looking like, so that is why. And I took it for the Nifty also. It is below that, and in SGX Nifty also the same. So that is why I took it this as a wave 1. Wave 2. If you are a new, or if you are an Elliott trader also, everybody blame me, because wave 1 and wave 2 cannot go below this. So I took it as per that SPX, S&P 500, Dow Jones, as well as in Nifty here. So after this only I conclude this as a wave 1, wave 2, and we are the same picture, everything. So in the shorter term I'm the bullish. Look at this, how drop, and the same thing, it bounced the same candle. So it's looking like a railroad, what we call it, the technical analysis. The same how it drops, and again the same, it can get bounced. So now I'm expecting at least the 50%, 33,500. It's a possible target. So before that it could be consolidation here, and one more high is also possible, or it can shoot from here also if it is in bigger fourth way is got completed here, and we are in the fifth way, and it can again keep climbing like this. So mind this is a bigger drop, and again I'm expecting a bullish. So next we can go for, once again, yeah, US30 completed. Next is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, it's already reached that zone of mine, right? 1 second, look at this, I already measured this, right? And already we marked, and it came down. That's it. So now what happened? Again it can retest this broken zone, or from here also it can come to the downside. Again it can keep on extending. So next target is 9,800 to 8,000 to 9,000. It is my target. So whether from here it can bounce, maybe, right? Because I'm sure about this, exactly between this one and 786 we are getting. So whether this is a W, X, A and B, after that one more C. So it could be possible like that, because here somewhat looking like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So one more 1 2, so this is the third, and again fourth, one more low is also possible here. That is why I have mentioned here. So anyway, I'm looking only for that sell side, not in buy side as per. So sell side also, it's not blindly from here. We need a structure to sell that pair also. So here this is looking like a bullish here, and it is looking like an irregular flat, or it could be anything, but the 26 is also possible in the shorter term. So if we are expecting this, if you are in the buy side, market will do like this, and it could be like this. So lot of patterns, if we keep on going and I am explaining, there is a lot of options. Once again, so let's move on to the next. Yeah, one thing, an interesting one. See, in the ZL, for my friend, one of my friend in the forum or in the WhatsApp group, I explained and he asked me about the ZL. I explained clearly, I'm expecting this one, but expecting this, no need to be in buy side, we need to be in sell side. And my target I already given for that 69, it's already reached. But in that case, if we expecting, we would have missed. It is not yet reached also, but before that the target is got reached. So the market, once we are expecting for the pullback, no need to be in buy side in the, if the trend is confirmed. So from here now I'm expecting, like that's 1 2 3, or whether this could be that 1 2 and this could be the 3. So after the three-way structures, again we can expect to the downside. Now that is confirmed now, because it's already took all that 4-hour daily and weekly anchor is broken. So we have to wait for that, what you call it as a head and shoulder pattern, or this we can make it this as a head, this as a shoulder. So see, whether it is in the sell, we need to be in sell side. No need to expecting this kind of price action will go through here. Once you actually you are targeting for this, and if you are bought here and what you are explained, sorry, sold here, and it could hit your stop loss, and again it came back, again what you will do, okay, it is going down, so we can sell it here, and it will took the stop loss here, and it can again bounce. So in the correction part, trading is very difficult. We need to watch for the clear picture to understand the structure, and you need to be in the trend side. So if this is in the buy side, no need to be in sell side. So now the trend is confirmed for me is a sell, so looking only for the trend side to sell the pair for the target of 57, right? So next is we are going for copper. Look at this, and I have explained this last week. The three-way structure is already dead. 1 2 3. So now what I am expecting to the downside. So what is the target here, and where we are here. So whether we are expecting the target here, being in sell side here, it's not advice. Looking for that bounce, because it's already ABC. So once you sell for the target of this, market will be a big consolidation or big pullback, and it will reach this zone. Again market will do here this one. So the entry is also important, and the exit is also the most important. If you're expecting this three-way structure, you need to be very confident, and you have to see this wave formation here, and if it confirmed the three-way structure is going to end, making this as a stop loss or this as a stop loss, looking for the target, bigger target 2.89. I already mentioned this. You just go through my all the videos or all the pictures what I have shared in the trading view and the social medias or in my telegrams. You just go through that, then you come to know, read all those things. If you are not understanding, you just look for that Elliott Wave educational series to understand what I have written here. So next is silver, and I already explained, right? It is not yet broken here. So we can, until this is a lot of chances for making a triangle, or could be the irregular flat, or it could be a running triangle again. So if it did like this, again what it will do, it can go above this also. So if it is a, so A, B, C, D, E, and this whole thing becomes A, the B will be a triangle and C can go above this. And if you are expecting this, if you are in the buy side, market is a tricky and it will took from here. So the whole thing is A, B, C, D, E, and it will come to the downside. So here we will be a consolidation. So mind this, the consolidation, it's a very, very beautiful structure it could make here if you understand the Elliott waves. So then only you come to know what kind of structure and what type of corrections it is doing, and where we are and where how much it can go. Everything you know only if you are a very, very good Elliottician, and if you have to practice more than near 2 to 3 years, and it is also depends upon your individual personality. I took more than 7 years to fine tune. Still now I'm just doing my fine tunes. That is why I'm just giving all that stuff for the free. It's a selfish to making me a fine tuning. I'm just giving all the free educational videos, and maximum I already given all my efforts to this market to be a good trader in my from my side, and lot of appreciations in the mails and in my WhatsApp, in my social medias, in that personal messages like that. So thanks for everybody. It's not mine. It's all God's grace, and with that hard work, and if you have got the talent, with the God's grace, with our parents' blessings. So you have to be a good trader, means you need to learn more. In that screen time, it comes only in the experiences. So experience means it's sitting in front of the system, watching the market, doing all the stuffs. In previous, I took nearly 30 pairs. I did analysis. If you're looking for the one of my forums, and I already did 3,000 chats in the trading view. 3,000 chats only with the Elliott wave theory. So that makes me, and it took more time for me to fine tune myself. So you have to be like that only. That is my ambitions. So being a mentor to you also, it won't be a profitable trader. It's all depends upon you. If you are a student of mine also, you can't like me also. You can beat me also. You can overtake me also. So mind that it all depends upon your love with your Elliott waves or love with your strategy. How deep you are going. That's the thing. So now I'm expecting a bullish, or it could be a consolidation zone in the triangle like that, and what I explained. So the finally it's a gold. So my target still remains within this zone, or 1920 or 1950 also sometimes. So once, and if you go through my previous video, I have explained this, whether this is the A, this is the B and C, and this is the 5-way structure. So whether this is a A, this is the B and C. So if this is a W, this is a X, and we are in that A, B, C until it can reach up to the 1920, or it could be a and it could be come to the downside to the B, C, D, E, and from here up, so it can decline. So my target, that my target is nearly 1350 to 1400. But before that, it could took all that stop loss who placed here in the zone 1920 to 1950, and then if it hit all the stop losses, convert the retail traders in the buy section, and later on this market will turn to the south side. So here we need to watch. So for the shorter term, it could be anything, but I'm looking for the clear picture. The sell is confirmed, but where we have to enter, that is a big question mark. You know everything, the target is 1650, but sorry, 1350, and not to be in south side here. At least some bounces or some structures we need to see. Then only we need to be in that sell side, not from here. Expecting blindly, Vijay said it's going to be 1400, so then we need to enter. The market will do 150 pips, the 1500 pips and above, so $150 and above, and then it will took all the stop losses here, convert the retail traders into the buy section, and from here it can do like this. So this triangle could be what I'm talking about. It said is could be a B-way intermittent triangle, and then again it can show. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this could be the A. This could be the B, or it could be the C way 5-way structures got completed. So it's a question mark. But the destination has to reach the 1350 to 1400. But before that, as I explained, this could be the stop loss. 2077 is the stop loss. 2078 is the stop loss for the target of nearly 1350 to 1450 here. It could be anything below 1500. The target you can make it is below 1500. So I'm not expecting it can reach above this level, and if it is a triangle also, it could be the 1. So this is the 1, 2, 3, and this could be the 4, and one more ABC to the 2300, and I already explained that also, but I'm not seeing that here. So in the bigger picture, once again, in that 1 weekly chart, and I have already explained that here. I took it this as a W, this as a X. So whether this is a and this is a B as a regular flat correction, and we are on the C wave. But it is not looking like a C wave, but because I'm not sure about here to forcing like this 1, 2, 3, 4 like here I had already marked this. Once again, I will show you that. Here I marked 1, 2, sorry, here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here I marked. But in the bigger picture, look at this in the bigger picture. It's looking like, one second. Here. It is looking like 1, 2, 3. So whether this is the A, B, C, or this B could be a triangle also. So then this is the A, this is the B, later on C, D, E, and it will took more than 6 months to 3 months to 6 months also, and later onwards this could be the triangle, and it can come to the downside. So this is the A, this whole thing will be B, and C to the downside to hit our target. So these are all possibles. For the shorter term, I am looking for that, but looking for this, I'm not in buy side. If you need to be in buy side, making this as a stop loss, but it's not my advice. Sometimes it will hit your target also, as I said. Sometimes it can do anything, because this if this is the 3-way structure, and if this is the 5-way structure, and we are in that B or 1, and this could be that third wave also here, 1, 2, 3, so 4 and 5, it can be like this. So until if it breaks this 1880, there is a lot of chances to the downside only. If it only breaks this high, then it can go up to 1920 or 1950 or 1980. It can, because if this is A, B, C, so D can reach here, and after that here. So this is A, B, C, D, E, and then downside. So if we're expecting this one, sometimes market will do like this. From here, it come to the downside. So ABC is a ABC is a B, and C. So everybody want to be in sell side. So Vijay said it's a target is 1350. So everybody enter here, then it can do like this. So everybody blames this. What the hell is this market? So then we know this is a A. So this is the B and C, D and E. The alignment and the structure is different. So whether this could be the triangle or this could be the triangle. So there is a lot of chances. And being this, it can break this also. And later onwards, this could be A, B, C, D, E, and from here it can come to the downside. It's a running triangle. So knowing, learning is the most important to understand this market price action. The price action have a lot of strategies, harmonics, Elliott waves, anything, but you have to learn in deeply. So I think I finished a lot, all those things. Yeah, once I can recheck. DXY, Euro USD, GU, AU, NU, UCAD, UJ, UCHF, Euro New Zealand debt, US30 debt, Bitcoin debt, copper debt, crude. Yeah, I think crude. Yeah, US oil. Yeah, once again. So thanks for watching this. Yeah, recheck. Yeah, in US oil. See what I have explained, 3-day structure. And again, I expected this, but before that, it's already reached the target. So now what we can expect, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is already did. So as per this is the A, this is the B and C wave is already did, right? Here is the tricky one. So lot of Elliott wave traders including myself. So what we will do here, it's a 5-way structure. Once again, we can delete this. Yeah, once again, yeah. Remove this, everything. Yeah, one second. Yeah, it's now clear. So what we analyzed this is the A, this is the B and C, because it's already broken this. Or sometimes this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. ABC is the A in the zigzag. So whether this and this. So what we did is A, B and C. So it could be anything. So this is the A, this is the B. So anyway, a lot of people, including myself means I'm talking about the previous Vijay, not here, because now I'm little bit fine tuning myself. So if we did making this as a stop loss, if we entered the market, if it is keep on bouncing like this in the 50% or 61.8 or 78.6, so if we keep on doing the shorts as per the the 3-day structures, market will do like this one. It will hit your stop loss and again market will come to the downside. So why it is happening, right? So then we come to know this is a ABC is a ABC is a B and C is a 5-way structure. So this could be the correction part. So this is the A, so this is the B and C need to break this high and later onwards we can expect this. So what there is a chances. I am talking about the possibilities. We didn't know whether this is the 1A, this is the B and C is ended completed here means. So this is the definitely could be the B, but we didn't know whether this is the A. So this could be the another intermediate wave A. So the B is little bit in the expanded, it could be a running flat correction in the BE. So then C. So you just go through this. This is the A, right? So this is the B. See what have to do above this level. It will hit and it will took more 5-way structure. Later onwards, this is the A, this is the B and C. You got it? So I think I completed that this also US oil. So thanks for watching, and as I said, inform that I can make a video on the next week, or I can skip also in my busy schedule. So thanks for watching. Have a nice, wonderful weekend, and Sunday it's evening. So have a nice, profitable month and week to everybody. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day to everybody. Bye. See you.